Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the advanced settings. Now let's enter date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we can customize. So in order to set the date, time and time zone manually, first of all we have to turn off the no work provided option. So let's tap on those switchers here, and the date, time and time zone options are right now active, so we can freely tap on it. And as you can see, just by swiping we can pick the date we want to use, just confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, so just swipe and pick the one you'd like to set, and as you can see it immediately appears also on the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, and as you can see you will be transferred to all available time zones from which we can choose. So right now all you have to do is obviously to find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick for example this one, and as you can see it is immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. Under it we've got also the clock format option, so we can manually decide if we want to use 24-hour format just like now or 12-hour format. So in order to do that you have to tap on this switcher. Under it we've got also the options which are connected to the dual clock, so you can display a second clock connected to totally another region, for example the home city. So it's up to you if you want to use it, and actually this is the whole customization of those features, and you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on those switchers to use the automatic date, time and time zone, and here to use 24-hour format. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.